In this video, I'm sharing some key tips that you can leverage today in order to get your candidates to accept your client's offer. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. After you have put in all the hard work to reach out to prospective clients, get a signed contract, and then find candidates, the only thing that's standing between you and your check is your candidate that you presented to your client accepting your client's offer. Now, while it's no guarantee that your candidate is going to accept your client's offer, here are 3 key tips that I have always leveraged in order to guide candidates through this very important phase. Tip number 1 is to negotiate on their behalf. If a candidate is presented with an offer that's not up to their standards, then take time to understand where the gap is, as well as what information you can provide in order to close that gap. Maybe there's a $10,000 difference between what the candidate wants and what your client offered. Negotiate with your client to understand if closing that $10,000 gap is feasible and within their budget. Now, ideally, you should already have a good indication of the budget for the role because you would have found out this information in the beginning of the process. However, you never know. For the right candidate, some companies are willing to pull thousands of dollars out their piggy bank. Now, tip number 2 is to explain all the benefits again. And I know at this phase, you've probably already gone through this information before. However, it doesn't hurt to go through that information again. Understanding all the benefit offerings that a company has can be pretty confusing sometimes, especially when it comes to healthcare options as well as 401k match investing schedules. Guiding your candidate through all of these policies and benefits may help to realize a gap in their own understanding that they didn't realize before when you had your original discussion. Ultimately, this will help them to make a more informed decision. Now, if you're enjoying the video so far, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my videos that drop weekly. Finally, tip number 3 is to always highlight the offer expiration date. Most offers are going to come with a response deadline. Oftentimes, you'll find that candidates are reluctant to accept because they're waiting on other offers to come in. Now, while I understand this strategy and 100% want them to get as many offers as possible, it's important that they know that it could potentially come at a cost. And that cost could be the offer that your client presented being taken off of the table. And remember, you do not want to pressure your candidate into making a decision, but you definitely want to ensure that they have all of the facts. Again, you just want to make sure that they're making an informed decision and making that decision by the deadline. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as if you are not in my Facebook group yet, I'll leave that link down below in the description box. We are in there talking all things recruiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.